guys, I am your girl Norleen, and have I got something good for you today. Guys, come along with me in the kitchen as I prepare something authentically Jamaican. So it's that kind of Sunday, and you're no longer feeling rice and peas. And guess what? We're going to turn this into something else. So I've separated the peas, and I'm using my spatula to just mash some of the peas to get a thick, smooth sauce. I am using the boned saltfish, and so I have washed the salt from it and boiled it for about 5 minutes. I've strained that water, wash it, and flake the saltfish and put it in fresh water. I'm going to put it back on the stove for about 3 minutes. And guys, to get as much salt as possible from your codfish, you need to flake it and then boil it again. So we have all our ingredients prepped and ready. The tomatoes, red pepper, green pepper, onion, green onion, of course garlic, all our vegetable ready. That's the peas over there. And of course we have the codfish. I've already separated into small pieces. And these are powdered season that I will use in the dish. Everything there, so people, I just put them together, you know. Prepare our rice, guys. We're going to wash it about 3 times. The aim is to get it at the water in the rice as clear as possible. So you rinse it about 2 or 3 times, and then you season your rice to your taste. Add your blended season. I am adding a pack of cotton noodle, a tablespoon of butter, a pinch of salt, pepper. Stir that in, and it's good to go. In 2 tablespoons of oil, I'm going to add all the prepared vegetables and saute this on a high heat. And we're going to do this for about 3 minutes. Alright, people, I'm going to see what I go on here. So, see, they are being nice, Mr. Go on here. So. Alright, people, next I'm going to add the codfish. We call it Jamaican saltfish. Keep the flame on high, guys, and we're going to stir this in for about 2 minutes. We're going to make sure that all of the flavor from the vegetable incorporate in our saltfish. It looks good already, and it's time to add the peas to the pot. Add ½ cup of water to the container that you had the peas in, and I'm going to mix about 25 grams of coconut milk into that. People know say a Jamaican thing, coconut milk, affy in it. A sorting set. So I'm going to add that to the peas. People, put that in it. Upon that, good old garlic salt tonight, black pepper, all purpose. So yeah, mix this up, people. Alright, we're going to check on the rice, people, and it come to a boil. So we're going to lower the flame and cover it, make it steam. So alright, people, I'm going to jump back into the stew peas pot. You see it there? I'm going to stir it up nicely. I'm going to cover it down and make the coconut milk cook down in that. Alright, people, so after 15 minutes, at this is what we got. I'm going to add to that 2 tablespoons of blended season. 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir it in. We'll cover it again for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, people, we're going to just drop 4 sprigs of thyme in the pot because we want the flavor of the thyme in the stew peas. We're going to stir it in, cover it again for about 2 minutes. So, alright, see it there? It done. Codfish stew peas or saltfish stew peas. Wanna look on the rice, people? It done. And this fluffy can done. Alright, guys, there it is. It's saltfish stew peas with fluffy white rice served with avocado, cucumber, and tomato slices. It's another of my mother's recipe from my kitchen, my pot, onto my daughter's table. I am sure you enjoyed your time in the kitchen with me. It's go easy Sunday, guys. But not go easy upon the taste nor the flavor. It's a Jamaican thing. It's a Caribbean vibe. It's a Caribbean flair, people. Codfish, stew peas, served Jamaican style. Alright, people, so I'm going to tell you now what the food tastes like. See it there? Alright, so this food is you can taste the coconut milk flavor in here. Nice and smooth. You see, when you put the avocado in the mix, the avocado, another cream, rich, smooth flavor from the avocado. It just balance out the coconut milk flavor. But I'm going to tell you, you see this, the cucumber, I'm going to tell you how it works with it. For all who never try cucumber with stew peas, we don't need to try it. We're not going to try it. That amount of crunch. Taste the coconut, but still I taste the flavor from the stew peas. It's bad. Tell you now about the tomato slice now. One kind of nice feeling. It's around here, so people, it gives you a nice, rich, different kind of taste. It gives you a little tingling in the back of your throat. It's just nice. Try this, people. Nice subtle. And trust me, you're going to keep on doing it in your kitchen. Remember, guys, please, like, give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, people. Push that post notification bell. Turn on your post notification bell, people. So as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Share this with your friends, guys. Tell them a food we are cook. Come get your share. Thank you, guys. And I hope you'll try this next time you're in your kitchen.